In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a free landing page with a free autoresponder and show you some really cool tools you can use to create your own online business. So go to aweber.com and this is where you'll get started for free. Here's what you'll get with your free account: email marketing autoresponder, pre-made landing page with templates, emails sent out automatically, and an e-commerce page. After watching this, go to Aweber and then click the Start Free button. Once inside, you can create free link trees where you can link multiple offers, your social media sites, or any website. Here's another example of a link tree, but this one has an autoresponder added to the bottom which helps build your email list. If you want, you can even add a sign-up form to your website. Here's an example of my sign-up form for my website that is from Aweber, and it's an autoresponder that will email you automatically once you sign up. From there, I will direct you to my link tree seen here. Here's a landing page with an autoresponder I created that will take you to a free video training after you sign up. Here's an example of an expanded link tree, and each of them has a landing page and autoresponder, which will redirect you to an offer or to a link. All of these can be created within Aweber. You can be as creative as you want and match your own branding. So here's a couple things you can do to take action right now. Congratulations, you've now created your first passive income stream. Hey, do me a favor and hit that plus sign to get more tips on how to grow your income online.